makes impressions on the inside of her thigh. There are little feathered engines where we tussle through the night. If I'd known she was religious, then I wouldn't have came stone to the house. Such an angel, too fucked up to get back home. Looking over West Virginia, smoking spirits on the roof. She asked, ain't anybody told that them things are bad for you? Said many folks warned me, there's been several people try, but until now there ain't been nothing that I couldn't leave behind. Hold me close, my dear. Sing your whispering song. Honey, tell me how your love runs true, and how I can always count on you to be there when the bullets fly. I'd run across the river just to hold you tonight. Thank you very much.